Hi everyone, today I am going to test some of the objects, whether they are magnetic or not. On this paper I have written magnetic and non-magnetic. These are some of the objects that I have gathered, and a magnet to see whether they are attracted by the magnet or not. I have a seashell, let's test it out. Will it stick to the magnet or not? It does not sticks to the magnet, so it's non-magnetic. A metal paper clip, let's see what happens. It stucks to the magnet, so it's magnetic. I have this plastic Lego, let's find out it's magnetic or not. No, it's not. I have this glass pebble, let's check it out. It doesn't stuck. A mini paper clip, it's also made of metal. A wooden block, will it stick or not? Another object is a plastic button, will it be attracted by magnet? A metal key, yes, it stucks. A small nail also stuck to the magnet. The pipe cleaner has metal in it, will it be attracted by the magnet? Yes, it sticks. Hope you enjoy this activity. And I hope you might be able to discover something around your home that are magnetic or non-magnetic.